In this video, we're going to talk about software engineering, the process of designing, building, and testing computer software. If you're interested in this, you're in the right place. Software engineering is a field that's responsible for creating some of the most widely used applications and programs in the world. From mobile apps to web apps to operating system, software plays a critical role in the way we interact with technology. Here are the top 5 skills every software engineer should have. 1. Proficiency in at least one programming language. So this is the foundation for software engineering, and it's essential to be comfortable with at least one language. 2. Data structures and algorithms. This involves knowing how to manipulate data effectively and understanding common algorithms that are used in software engineering. 3. Ability to work with a team. Software is rarely a solo activity, so it's important that you know how to work collaboratively and communicate with other team members. 4. Familiarity with version control systems like Git. So this is a tool that allows you to keep track of changes to your code over time, making it easier to collaborate with others and manage changes to your code. And 5. Continuous learning and willingness to adapt to new technologies. So technology is constantly changing. Software engineers must be willing to learn new tools and techniques to stay current. Some recent examples of successful software engineers include Satya Nadella, who is the CEO of Microsoft and has helped drive the company's growth in cloud computing. Susan Wojcicki, who is the CEO of YouTube and helped transform the platform into a major player in online video. And Jack Dorsey, who co-founded both Twitter and Square and has been a major influence in the development of social media and mobile payment technologies. So there you have it. These are the top 5 essential skills every software engineer should have. If you're interested in learning more about software engineering, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos on this topic. Thanks for watching.